Gulawan. My roll number is 91 and my division is A. Association, binary association and array association, aggregation, composition. Types of association. In ordinary sense, we see that the two attributes are associated if they occur together in many cases. But in statistics, these two attributes are said to be associated with that occur together more number of times, and they are expected to occur if they on less than the times then they are expected to appear. The association between them is negative if the observed number and expected number are equal, then two attributes are said to be independent. Thus, we have three types of association between two attributes: positive association, negative association, and independent association. First, positive association. When the observed number of units possessing two attributes is more than the expected number, the association between them is said to be a positive. Illiteracy and poverty, education and women, and their success in marriage life are familiar example of positive association. For two attributes A and B, if AB alpha beta is greater than A beta alpha B, then A and B are said to be an positively associated. Number second, negative association. When the observed number of units possessing two attributes is less than the expected number of association between them is said to be a negative. Literacy and criminality, inoculation and attract of diseases are the example of negative association. For two attributes A and B, if AB alpha beta is less than the alpha beta alpha B, then association are called as negatively associated. Third, independence of attribute. When the observed number of units possessing two attributes is equal to the expected number, the two attributes are said to be independent, that is, no association between the attributes. If the two attributes AB alpha beta is equal to A beta alpha B, then the attribute A and B are said to be an independent. Sex and success in examination may be regarded as the example of independent association. Some examples of association: positive linear association, negative linear association, non-linear association, and non-association, which also known as independence of attribute.